Linking your bank account to Stripe is a straightforward process that allows you to receive payments directly to your account. Follow these steps to set up your bank account with Stripe. Step 1. Create a Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Fill in the required information, including your email address, password, and business details. Step 2. Access the dashboard. Once your account is created, log into your Stripe dashboard. This is where you will manage your payments settings and account information. Step 3. Navigate to the bank account settings. In the dashboard, go to the settings section. Look for the bank accounts and scheduling option to start the process of linking your bank account. Step 4. Add your bank account information. Click on the option to add a bank account. Enter your bank account details, including the account number, routing number, and account type. Make sure the information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank details, Stripe may require you to verify your account. This usually involves confirming small deposits made by Stripe into your bank account. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to your Stripe account, allowing you to receive payments seamlessly. If you encounter any issues, refer to Stripe support resources for assistance.